Let's learn how you can post a happy birthday shout on Instagram story. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. So without any delay, let us start by opening Instagram application. Now you will have just to click on this post your story sign. Once you're here, just click on this AA symbol that says create, and you will have to swipe once right, and as you can see here it will be happy birthday and at symbol. Here you can tag a person you want to wish happy birthday. For example, let's tag, I don't know, this one. And as you can see, you can now share and post to your story. You can also add like stickers, for example, that will help. You can also add videos from your gallery, templates, cutouts, music. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.